How does a hair transplant actually work? Well, it's quite a simple procedure when you really think about it. Firstly, we need to address the cause of your hair loss. If that's male pattern baldness, then medication is the best way to go. There are injectables like stem cell and exosome therapy and oral medication as well. That will help to stop your hair from falling out and will even regrow some of your lost hair. But medication isn't a permanent solution. And so, for many people, a hair transplant is the best way to achieve permanent results. A hair transplant is a surgical procedure where we take healthy hair follicles from one part of the body, usually the back or sides of the head, and we transplant them into another area where the person has gone bald. This could be at the top of the head, for example. Now, the reason why we use hair from the back and sides of the head is because this hair is more resistant to the DHT hormone, which is responsible for hair loss in most men. The process itself is quite straightforward. The first step is to remove the hair from the back and sides of the head. This is done by shaving the sides of the head. Then a local anesthetic is applied to the area. Now, this is important. You will feel pressure, but you won't feel any pain during the procedure. After the area has been numbed, the hair is harvested using a special tool called a punch tool. This tool punches out small sections of hair, each containing around 50 to 100 hairs. These sections are then transplanted into small incisions that have been made in the balding areas of the scalp. Each section is placed at a 45-degree angle and is slightly rotated to match the natural direction of the surrounding hair. Once all the sections have been transplanted, the process is complete. Now, it's important to remember that not all hair will grow back in exactly the same way. Some will grow in normally, while other sections may grow in slightly tilted. This is completely normal and is usually corrected within a few weeks of the transplant. Now, when can you expect to see results from a hair transplant? Well, the transplanted hair will start growing in within 3 to 4 weeks. However, it will take around 9 months to a year to see the final result. If you're considering a hair transplant, then I recommend watching this video here, which gives a detailed explanation of the procedure. I also recommend subscribing to the channel. That way, you'll be informed whenever I post new videos about hair restoration, including new hair transplant techniques, the best hair transplant clinics, and much, much more.